Meaning of formalization.
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 Formalization. Formalization refers to the process of turning something into a formal, standardized, and structured system. In other words, it involves taking an informal or loosely defined concept or procedure and turning it into a clear and precise set of rules or instructions. The result of formalization is a more organized and efficient system that can be easily replicated and followed by others. This can lead to increased productivity, reduced errors, and better communication among individuals or organizations that use the formalized system.